Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So in this video we'll be talking about how to analyze candlestick for futures trade. If you're a future trader and you want to know how to analyze candlestick for future trade, please subscribe to this channel now. If you are watching this video right now, you are not subscribed. So in this video, that's what we're going to be talking about. So let's continue, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much. So in this video, like I said, candlestick for what? For future stake, candlestick analysis. Now, because there are a lot of people out there, they are confused about how to analyze the candlestick and how to know when the market is going up and when the market is coming down. So let me go to a futures. Let's use dot. So this is the dot USDT features on Binance. So now this is the chart. Now mainly here we are talking about candlestick. So we are going to base all our analysis on candlestick. So now, but there's something you need to know about candles. First thing you need to know what a candle is. A candle consists on prices. Let's say this is a candle. It comprises of the body and the what and the wick. So this is the body of the candle, and this is the wick. Any thin line or above or below the candlestick, you understand? So that's the wick of that particular candle. It can be at the down part or at the up part. So but the remaining full part of the candle, either be it red or green, is called the body of the candle. So we also have the opening and the close of on the candle. So the opening and the close of the candle depends on whether the candle is a grey candle or is a red candle. Now, under candlestick analysis, we have a lot of candlestick patterns. Do you understand? So we have the doji, we have the hammer, we have the engulfing candle. Engulfing candle is basically when a particular candle, you understand, when the current candle engulf the previous candle. Do you understand? This is an engulfing candle. This candle engulf this particular one. Do you understand? This is an example of a engulfing candle. When we're talking about hammer, you know how an hammer look like now. So you see something like this, then you see what then you see a line. Sorry, I don't know how it's. So you see a line underneath. So this one is an hammer candle. Do you understand? So we also have doji. Doji is like when the opening and the close of that particular candle is the same thing. We call this one indecision. You understand? So when we have an hammer candle, it means a buying period. That is, if the hammer candle is facing up, that is the wick is underneath. You understand? So it means they're trying to buy it up. You understand? But if we have an inverse hammer candle, you understand? The inverse hammer candle, the wick is now up. That means this signifies a bearish. That is, they're trying to pull the price down. So we also have a morning star, evening star, and the rest. Do you understand? So that one comprises of 3 candles. We have Arabi, we have Marubuzu, and the rest. But these are the important ones you need to know currently. So now let's go to the chart. Now let me zoom very well. So look at this particular candle now. You look at this candle, this current candle. Now let me first start from this red candle. This red candle, this is like an arm. I've noticed. And if you look at it, the candle started from here, it pulled down back to this region, then it was pulled back up. Do you understand? And they ended the candle here. Mainly end the candle here. That is, it made the candle close here. The new one opened with this green one. Do you understand? And it was pushed down a little bit, but it was pushed up and it was ended here. Do you understand? Now, what I can say from this is that previous red candle is that they are trying to push the price up. Do you understand? Because if you look at this previous red candle, or in norms, if you are doing a simple candlestick analysis, just use the last 3 candle. Do you understand? Now look at this first red candle. This first red candle signifies that the buyers and the sellers are in the market. Do you understand? It only has a little wick at the up and bottom, so this one signifies more of selling prayer. Why this one? It signifies more of selling prayer, but it has a wick underneath. That weak part is the buyer's part. Do you understand? It's trying to show us that there is what the experience of buyers in the market. So the buyers are trying to pull the price upward. Do you understand? So that's why there's a wick underneath. If the buyers are not in the market, this particular red candle will have been a what? A full red candle. The body of a red candle will have ended at this tip of this wick. Do you understand? But because buyers enter the market, they push the price a little bit to this particular level. Now, what next again? This particular can open up. Do you understand? The sellers try to push it down because we have more of selling prayer right from the start. They push it down, but the buyers entered again and push the price up to this particular wick. And don't forget, the buyer's prayer is already in this place. The experience of buyers here because of the wick underneath this particular red candle. So the buyers enter and push the price to this up, and the sellers try to push it down to this what? This particular place and close the candle here. So this wick at the up signifies the seller. But now what actually happened? You see this particular candle engulf this particular candle, and when we have an engulfing candle, it signifies what? Continuation. You understand? Or reversal. It signifies reversal. That is, now the market has been trending down before. You understand? And it gave us an engulfing candle. It means the market want to reverse and continue to go up. Do you understand? So that means the market will continue to print green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, and go up. And let's assume the market was what was going up before, and it prints us an engulfing candle at a resistance zone. Do you understand? It means the market wants what turns what down. So based on this formation of this three candle, the buyer's prayer, this one is the seller. Do you understand? The seller has 1 O here. The buyers and the sellers here also. Do you understand? They have what? Let's just say here. They have what? 1 here. You understand? That is their draw. They are playing draw here. Do you understand? 1. Do you understand? Why for this one? The sellers win also. Sorry, the buyer win here. So we have what? 0-1. Do you understand? So that means that looking at it here, it's more of like a draw. Do you understand? Because this one is like 1-0. The seller win here. The buyer draw here, and the buyer win here. But because this is an engulfing candle, the probability that the next candle is going to be green is very high. But to confirm our analysis, do you understand? We wait a bit for the next candles to open and close to make our decision. Do you understand? So let me just play it. So we'll look at the next candle. Assuming we have entered for the next candle without anything, we'll have been profit. But what happened? The next candle opened and pushed down a little bit because of this selling prayer at the tip of this green candle before the buyers push it up. Do you understand? So the last three candles we have here now, the last three candles is this particular one now. So we just want to judge. Now on this candle now, we have 1. The sellers and the buyer, they play 1 here. Do you understand? Here, if looking at it very well, the buyer actually win. So this is what? 0-1. Do you understand? The seller win, the buyers here. Why for this one also the buyers also win? That's what? 0-1. So that means if you look at it here now, we can categorically say that the buyers are in control of this market currently. That means the price is going to what? Push up. So I can categorically enter the next trade for a what? For a call. So I enter the next trade for a call. That is, I'm expecting the price of the next candle, that is the next candle, to go up. So let's see how it plays out. So look at it. The next candle was a green candle. That was wonderful. Do you understand? It was wonderful. Now we now have this one also. Don't forget. See, buyers are inside. They are ready to push this price up. Look at the wick underneath these green candles. They are ready to push this price up. So the last three candle we have now is this. Here, the buyers wins. that's 0 1. Here the buyer win also 0 1, and here also the buyer win is 0 1. You understand? So that means the probability that the next candle is going to be green is high. So I will still enter for the next candle, for the next trade. That what the market, the price is going to push up. Look at it, and the price push up again. Do you understand? So that is how, I don't want to make this video very long. That's how candlestick analysis, that's the basic idea behind candlestick. Is a fight between sellers and buyers. They are dragging the market. They are trying to see who wins. Do you understand? And who is going to push the price upward, or is going to push the price downward? Who is going to have the upper hand in the market? It's a fight between them. So that's how the market works generally. So, but when you start identifying you start identifying engulfing candle on the particular chart, you see that it's very helpful. Look at this place too. Look at this level. Look at it. This one, this particular place. See, this red candle engulfed this previous green candle. And what happened? I told you it's like a reversal. So what happened? And what? The price of it was falling down. We have another engulfing candle, green candle here, and the price of it was going up. So those are examples of a candlestick analysis. We can be trading based on engulfing candle, but make sure your engulfing candle you are trading is based on support and resistance. You understand? That is, they are on the support zone. They are printed on the support and resistance zone. Do you understand? This particular one now, it's printed. Let me show you something. So if you look at this one particularly like this, so this one that was printed here, this engulfing candle that was printed here, it was because it was printed on the resistance zone. Do you understand? That's why it was very effective by pushing the price downward. So this one I also print an engulfing candle on it. It will have been on the what, on the support zone. Let's check it out. There is support around this region. So look at it. It was more effective because it was on the what, on the support zone. It printed the engulfing candle on the support zone, and the price that it was pushing up. Do you understand? So that is how the idea of candlestick analysis. If you can be trading them, this candle, this thing, the engulfing candle, we have doji. Do you understand? If you can trade them, do you understand, on a support or a resistance zone, AMA, inverse AMA, do you understand, morning star, evening star, you can trade them on a very strong support and resistance zone. You'll be profitable in your trading, even when you're using candlestick alone. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. If you want more content and you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to bring up a video on it. So this video was asked by someone in the comment section, and I decided to give it up. So thank you very much. God bless you.